Besides sharing your flipbooks online, you also have the option to download them in a variety of different formats. If you want to download an unpublished flipbook, then from the main dashboard you need to go to the Online Design Studio by clicking Edit. Then, click on Download in the upper right corner. This lets you download your flipbook in different static formats, but the other download options like GIF, MP4, or HTML won't be available until you publish your flipbook. To access all the download options for a published flipbook, just go to the main dashboard and then hit Download. You can also go to the Overview page. From here, you have access to all of these options. Portable document format, or as you may know it, PDF, is the most commonly used file type for documents. PDFs are meant for viewing, and this file type is often used for file sharing. The web version will have a smaller size compared to the print version, in order to be optimized for web use. If you plan to print your flipbook, we would recommend to download the PDF for print option. It's a bigger file size than the PDF for web version, so it may take a little bit longer to download. The images in your PDF will have a higher resolution for a quality printed result. The HTML5 download is a format that preserves all the interactions and multimedia elements for your flipbooks, including the page flip effect. So it's a great option for offline use or for self-hosting. Just keep in mind that this is a folder, not a single file. This option lets you download your flipbook as a GIF, making it easy to share on social media, in newsletters, or on your website. Here you can adjust the GIF size and background color, and choose which pages to include in the preview. The PNG download format is a slightly bigger file size which handles lossless compression better. It also includes the transparent background option so you can reuse your photos in other different projects. Each page of your flipbook is a PNG file. We recommend this download option for one-page designs. The PNG download is available at a resolution of 794 by 1123 pixels. Get a compressed version of your flipbook with a JPEG download option. Each page of your flipbook is a separate JPEG file. We recommend this download option for one-page designs. The JPEG download is available at a resolution of 794 by 1123 pixels. If you want to have a higher resolution file, you should download your flipbook in a PDF format. When you choose the MP4 download format for your flipbook, you will have a 10-12 second teaser trailer of your flipbook at a frame rate of 16 FPS and a resolution of 746 by 420. Keep in mind that the video will not show all of the pages in your flipbook. And if your flipbook contains videos set on autoplay or GIFs, then the MP4 download option will not showcase them properly. We suggest you don't use this type of interaction if you want to download the flipbook in MP4 format.